This is a representation of a four-way switch that you may find in a home. This is the schematic diagram of the four-way switch. This is the way electricians draw a four-way switch. This is the way electronics people draw a double pole, double throw switch. A double pole, double throw switch has cross wires in the center, and the switch has double pole, double throw. Hence, right there. So, let's see if it works. All switches are in the up position. Up, up, up. The light is on. We can follow the electricity with some pink chalk. Electricity travels through the three-way switch into the four-way switch into the other three-way switch and completes the circuit to turn the light on. This is the way electronics people draw a four-way switch. Same thing, electricity travels all the way through the circuit. To demonstrate that the switch is working correctly, any light that is switched turns the switch either on or off. Doesn't matter which one. It's kind of cold out here, that's why I'm bundled up. It's going to be a short video. Over and out.